Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add fonts to PowerPoint on a Mac. First, if the font you want to use is not available in PowerPoint, you'll need to install it on your Mac. To do that, open any web browser and search for the font you want to download. Open a trusted font website and look for the font using the search bar. Once you find the font, click the Download button. This will download a zip file to your Mac. Next, open your Downloads folder and double-click the zip file to extract it. Once extracted, locate the font file, usually ending in .ttf or .otf. Double-click the font file and the FontBook app will open automatically. Click Install Font to add it to your Mac. After the installation is complete, close Microsoft PowerPoint if it is already open, and then reopen it. Now open your PowerPoint presentation and select the text you want to change. Go to the Font drop-down menu and you should see the newly installed font in the list. Select the font and it will be applied to your text immediately. That's how you can add fonts to PowerPoint on a Mac. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.